I have 3 or 4 standard rules in my classroom at any age. My high school classroom is, if it's against the law, you can't do it. Period. All right? If it's morally, emotionally, physically going to hurt someone else, you can't do it. If it's a building rule, you can't do it. When we start to allow kids to break building rules in our classrooms or in our offices, we become part of the problem. So if it's a building rule, you always uphold building rules in any place in the building. Then your classroom rules can vary. And then the 4th and last rule I have is when I say no, the conversation is over. That's it. Those are all the rules. That's it. So new kids move in, and some kid will come in and they'll try to debate a rule, and the kids will go, oh, did she say no yet? They say, well, I shouldn't say no. Well, she says no, then be done. Because once no comes out, you're done. But once they understand that, that's the way we run, that's the way we do school, they can figure it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.